Mercury owners whose engines are equipped with SmartCraft Connect will need to download the SmartCraft Manager app in order to utilize the features of the SmartCraft Connect module. Download the SmartCraft Manager app from the iOS Apple Store or Google Play Store. Open the SmartCraft Manager app. Choose Sign Up Now to create an account and password. Choose Consumer. Enter a valid email address. Then click Send Verification Code. A new field pops up in the app and you'll receive an email with your code. Enter the code, then click the Verify Code button. If for some reason you don't receive the email, or if the code you received doesn't work, click Send New Code. Once you've verified your email address, create and confirm a password. Your phone or device may create a strong password for you, which you may use. If you create your own, follow the password guidelines shown in the app. The guidelines need to be followed to create an account. After making your password and entering your name, click Create. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions, making sure the SmartCraft device is powered on. Click Find My Device. A list of devices appears. If more than one SmartCraft module is on the list, you'll need to make sure you're logged into the right one. If it's accessible, you can check the serial number on the SmartCraft Connect module to ensure you're selecting the correct module. If SmartCraft Connect is connected to a multi-function display, or MFD, you can also find the device serial number in the NEMA 2000 device list on the display. Refer to MFD instructions on how to access the device list. This is useful for boats where the SmartCraft Connect module is hidden behind the dash or inaccessible under the cowl, preventing the boater from seeing the serial number. Now back to the SmartCraft Manager app. The app home screen shows the serial number of the connected module, the status of your Bluetooth connection, and your Wi-Fi connection status. Make sure you wait until the cloud connection shows up to date before performing any functions in the app. Wi-Fi network strength in the app will need to be at least 2 of the 3 bars for this to happen. You'll have to wait until it shows up to date before doing a firmware update or any other action in the app. The CAN-P, CAN-H, and NEMA connection statuses are shown here. Once everything is connected, you can use the app to make firmware updates and do configuration.